I'm trying to revive this little bird here. It's just flown in to the building, knocked itself senseless, so it is. I assumed it to be dead at one point. I'm sure it's coming back round now. Come on. There we go. Now I've got to make the effort now and fly off. Come on, don't let me down. No broken wings. Come on. Get your confidence back out, fruit. And away you go. Wait, come on. Come on, you've got to fly off now. You can't sit with me all day. Come on, I'm busy. You're very warm. Come on. Right, so we are. It's looking like. There you go. There we go. Come on. Come on, you've got to fly off now. We've come back round now. Yeah? Oh. Do the deed. Come on. Come on.